Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily change your current username to a new username. I will show you the process, just keep following me till the end. First of all, open your app and log into your account. The app will show its home page where at the top right corner you will see your profile icon. Click there. Then you will also see the option to edit your profile under the option to edit my profile. Just click on that. And then on the second row you will see your username. When you click there, you can easily change your username to whatever you want. Remember that the app will also allow you to add name, dot, underscore as well as numbers. You can choose whatever you want to make your username unique. I'm just gonna change my username to Donna12Riveri. And at the top right corner, when you see the tick mark, you can click there and your username will be updated when you click on the next notification the app will send you. That's it for today's video. I hope you liked it.